Hi, oh, to the wonderful world of for loops. Here I've devised a simple multiplication thing, and all I want you to do is watch to see how it works and then type it out yourself. Yes, type it out yourself. Because typing things out is one of the best ways to learn things, and also making videos is also one of the best ways to learn things. So let's have a look by first running the program. Let's say that we want to do, I want to know the 6 table up to 12. So we'd like the 6 times table, I would like it up to 12, and it goes all the way up to 72, which, if you've been paying attention in school, is the correct answer. Or you could always type it into a calculator, And then it closes. But it's here the default's 10, so let's test it out by typing in nothing. Times table would you like? I want the 6. And it still gives us the 6 times table, and it obviously means that the default is 10. But if we type 0, well, I think the simple code will allow this. What times tables would you like to do? I want the 6 times table, but I'm not going to type nothing, we're going to type 0. And it still gives us 60. So let's have a look. So, text window. So, it would be good if you can make these things a bit bigger. Well, actually, there's no need to, because you can probably see it all as it is, all the 14 lines. Okay, so here's writing the line. What times table would you like? Well, you already know about all this, and we also know about text window.read and text window.read number. Read number says, if you try to type in a word, it'll say, hey, you can't do that. We also know about text window. If you've been paying attention, you probably know about if statements and if thing maximum equals 0. This is the part. All this part here is what's making the default. We could delete this part, then if you type 0, you get no times table, so then that would be bad. So if maximum equals 0, then if maximum equals 0, then maximum equals 10. So that means we were setting the default to 10. And then it'll go to calculate, otherwise it'll go to calculate. So no matter what happens, they'll always end up at calculate. Here is the part that we are actually going to look at, and it's actually quite fun. The 4! You look here and we'll say that you can execute a statement, and we'll say it multiple times. So if 4i equals 1, and we say, hey, what's I? Well, in most languages, when you're doing for loops and you're learning about them, you start with I, so we'll follow that tradition. And that includes small basic. Even here it says to use I. So 4i equals 1. So that means when I equals 1, and after the loop, the 4 will increase by 1 to maximum. That means it'll go to the mirror, it'll repeat it to the maximum time. It'll repeat text window dot write line I times table. And that is with a simple program that actually calculates times tables. Oh, and it works for really big numbers too. Because computers are good at and you can see that the computer, and you may well think of, why are you bothering to do this all? Well, computers are dumb machines. They actually are dumb machines, and you have to tell everything you want to do. Which is a bit of a shame, because they're wonderful things, but they shouldn't be so dumb. Anyway, that's quite fun, so let's see. And it's done! I've run out of time, so I guess I'll see you later. Bye.